Hello guys, welcome to Java Revisit YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about the top 5 Spring Microservices course with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud in 2022. We will start with Master Microservices with Java, Spring, Docker, and Kubernetes course based on Udemy. The content will cover introduction to microservice architecture and microservice Spring match made in heaven. Also, we'll cover work with microservice and boundaries, and work with Luan and cards in microservices. Also, work with scale our microservice Docker, depends on Docker, and deep dive in cloud native app. Also, work with management and microservices, configuration management, service discovery, and making microservice resilient. Also, handling routing across chatting when in microservices. The second course will cover microservices with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud. The course content will cover Spring Boot introduction and use how to use Spring Boot, Spring Cloud Service Discovery, and Spring Cloud Repository. Also, work with cloud configuration services and Spring Framework. Also, work with customer microservices and will cover and the customer account microservices. Third one will cover also a microservice Spring Boot and Spring Cloud, but this is different course. Here we'll cover a microservice introduction, build a microservice with Spring Boot, Spring Cloud configuration, service discovery, and how to work with Spring Cloud depend on Netflix and service routing and Spring Cloud. Also work with securing microservices and distributing tracing with Spring Cloud, also Docker and AWS. The fourth one will cover master microservice with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud also. And this course will cover how to work with web services and RESTful API depend on Spring Boot, introduction for microservices, and how to work with Spring Boot, Spring Cloud in microservices. Work with Docker also with Kubernetes, and how to build Spring Boot and how to work with GPA in 10 steps. And the last one will cover how to build scalable Java microservices with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud. This course depends on Google Cloud. We'll cover and describe software design better in application and how to work with these services in a cloud. Depends on software design. That's it.